What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and today, oh man, today we got a good video for you. We are loading up on Bitcoin, and I am going to show you the power of finding opportunities to buy low and sell high in a long-term aspect of it. We ain't going to do options trading. We're not going to do quick 2-3 day type situations. What we're going to do is we're going to try to get to one Bitcoin, but we're going to get to one Bitcoin by buying it at the best value. Yes, that's what I'm saying. So at 5 years, look at this 5-year chart's up 1,000%, right? Okay, a 1-year chart, if you would have invested in this company 1 year ago, last January, and put even $1,000 in it, you would be up 73% on $1,000, guys. You would have extra money in your pocket. You could be pulling that out right now. Now, if you would have waited, do you hit this dip just the other day on January 12th? It was at $46,000 for a single Bitcoin, guys. That's up 103%. You could have literally doubled your money. You would have had $1,000 put in January. This January, you would have $2,000. You could take 1,000 out, go on a vacation, and still have that same 1,000 in it, okay? Now, I'm not saying to buy, hold, or sell. You have to make that decision on your own. I'm just showing you what I am personally doing this year in 2024. I'm already up $165. We got an average cost of $40,000. And guys, look, we're only down $3.40. Also, this is a 24/7 market Bitcoin. It does not sleep. It never goes away. You can trade this thing at midnight. You can trade it at 2 a.m. It don't matter because Bitcoin is going. Now, everyone's say, oh, but Bitcoin, that's not even real. So technically the cash that you have in your pocket isn't real. Okay, when they went and they traded them green $100 bills for those blue ones that you have, that's over. Okay, that's over. There is no more cash currency. Everything is fake and digital. So why not make some money, make some moves? Okay, beat the game. That's what I'm saying, right? $165 ain't nothing right now. Okay, but in 5 years it goes up to 65,000. Yeah, it's gonna be double. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to buy down here. Let me see Bitcoin go down to 25,000. Okay, I will load up so fast. I got some money in the bank. This only says $46. This is a public traded account, so I'm just showing you some potential here on a small account. Okay, on them bigger accounts though, whoo, man, we got some money piling up at a really good average cost point. Why? Because we're buying them at perfect opportunities. Look, this month it's down 7%. It's going to drop some more. It might even go back down to the 25, 27. I doubt it. It might. You know, I'm thinking maybe 35, 36. But either way, we're going to take it down. We're going to keep loading up. And when it does bounce, say down here at the 26 mark, well, you can get one Bitcoin for 26K, and it goes up to 65 or 60 or even 100,000 that they're talking about it going up to. You can double, triple, quadruple your money. I'm telling you, look at this. This is 1,700%. Okay. And some people, you know, you might not have $165 right now, but just do $5 at a time. You could double your $5 in a year, double it. $100, double it. Double whatever you can, right? But we're just going to use this as an example. In 3 months, it's up 20%. You put $1,000 in October and sold up here in January, 3 months, you'd be up 42%. You'd have $420 from that $1,000 investment. Sell some off the top. Take that $400 out. You know what I mean? Or, I mean, yeah, do that. But instead of going and spending it on something, take out the $420 up here. Wait until it gets down back again, kind of low. Blow it up again. Buy $400 here. Double your money again, right? This is all this is doing. It's just showing a pattern of going up and down. And there is a lot of backing with Bitcoin. There's a lot of people trying to get into Bitcoin right now. There's a lot of ways that you could trade on Bitcoin. There's even a new There's even another ETF, I believe it's called Coin or Coney actually. Let's go look at Coney real quick. Coney is a way that you can trade Bitcoin with an ETF strategy to where you don't have to actually own Bitcoin. It just came out. This thing is super freaking crazy though. It's saying like 100% right now return on your investment. It's not even showing it now, but if you go to the company website, it's actually very high risk. This is another video for another time, guys, okay? I wouldn't normally invest in a company like this, but so apparently they're paying out 100%. So if it's $20, they're gonna pay out me out $20. So we're gonna see, but yeah, if you want to know more about Coney, leave a comment below and we can do a video on that. For right now, we're gonna go back to Bitcoin, guys. I think it has potential, okay? That's up to you. Like I said, I've been buying. Look, I got $25 right here at 43,000. That's when I first started, so I was up at 43,000. And then I bought $10 at 41,000 on the 20th. And then 19 hours ago, I just bought $118 worth at 39,000. So that brought my average from way up at 43,000 for a Bitcoin down to an average of 40. Okay, and if this thing does go down, if it goes down to 35, 37, even if it goes down to 25, I personally am going to be loading up on it because Bitcoin ain't going nowhere, guys. It's really not. Why not take advantage? So I'm excited to get back into these videos. I know I've been out for a little while doing some of the other 10-step guide videos for the ebook that I just put out. If you want to check it out, hit that button, the link below, and you can get free newsletters. Sign up. There is going to be 52 free newsletters coming out, and also you can get a invite to the private group of over 70,000 members, all doing exactly what you want to do. Just watch YouTube videos, share their information, talk to people about investing, and have fun doing so. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, glad to be getting back into them. I got a new one out on Gladstone Capital that's paying me out every single month right now. It's paying me out, and we're trying to get that up to 100 shares. Trying to get 1 Bitcoin. So follow us on this journey this year, 2024, making major changes. Let's go. Let's try to get a Bitcoin for like 16,000. How would that be, huh? 16,000 for a Bitcoin goes up to 60. You definitely can make some major money. So, all right, guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Are you invested? No, I don't know. Let me know. Thanks, guys.